A nice labour pay question here. We're asked, how much is an employee going to be paid for a particular day when they make 200 units in 8 hours? This is lovely, like a little crossword puzzle, this one. We've got to problem solve and work out how to do the calculation based on this scenario information here. So it tells us they do piecework. Piecework means they get paid for each unit that they make. So that's one way they get paid. But they also have a guaranteed minimum. So even if they don't make any units, they're guaranteed to get some time-based pay. And that time-based pay is $20 an hour for 8 hours of the day, for an 8-hour day, and they're guaranteed to get 80% of that. Okay, that's the guaranteed minimum. And then we're told, what about the piecework? Well, the piecework is they get 3 minutes to make each unit. Oh, that's quite quick, isn't it? Not very long they get to make each unit. And if they make it, well, the piecework rate is based on 3 minutes per unit at a rate of $18 per hour. Oof. So it's oh, that's annoying. That's fiddly. Part of this is in minutes and part of it is in hours. So we're going to have to adjust that by times it by 3 over 60. Because the calculation is going to have to be based on the minutes, and so we have to kind of get this into a comparable unit. Okay, so we've got to work out the guaranteed minimum and then compare that to the piecework rate and see which is best for the employee. So let's do that. So the guaranteed minimum is that they get paid $20 an hour for an 8-hour day, but they only get 80% of that. So what does that come out at? That's a guaranteed minimum of $128. Okay, what about the piecework? So we're told they get given 3 minutes of standard time for each unit, paid at a rate of $18 per hour. So let's get this down to an amount per unit. 3 divided by 60 times by $18 for an hour per standard hour. That gets us to a rate per unit of $0.90 or 90 cents for each unit that's produced. Now, how many units did they make? Oh, it's 200 units. So that means that the piecework rate is $180. And so what are they going to earn for that day? Would they get the guaranteed minimum of 128 or would they get the piecework rate? Well, the fact that it's called a guaranteed minimum is telling us that if they are able to earn more than that under piecework, then they would get that higher amount. So the amount they're going to get is $180. And if the piecework rate or piecework pay had turned out to be less than $128, then it would have been $128 to go in there. Well done if you got that one right.